welcome back to this channel. We are studying Science Standard 9. Today we are going to start chapter 1, that is matter in our surrounding, that comes under chemistry part in our NCERT textbook. Now this video or this couple of videos will be just like a short revision of important points from this chapter, right? So let us understand it topic by topic, and I will promise that it will be very easy to understand. Clear? So let us start. See, starting with the title of this chapter, right? There are two important words in this title, that is matter and surrounding, right? Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies some space. That means it has some volume. Now, friends, everything in this universe is made up of some material which scientists have named as matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants, animals, even a small drop of water or a grain of sand, everything is matter. You see, and these things, these objects, these matters, they are present around us, right? They are present in the environment in which we live. That is why the title is matter in our surrounding. Clear? Now, classification. From the ancient times, how people used to see or what they believed which was related to matter. In ancient times, matter, especially in Indian philosophy, matter is considering about five basic elements that we called as Panchatattva. Panchatattva means five basic elements. They were believed to be air, water, earth, sky, and fire. Now, air, water, earth, sky, and fire. पृथ्वी, अग्नि, जल, आकाश, ऐसे कुछ हमारे पुराने जो फिलोसोफर्स थे वो मानते थे. ठीक है. तो नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन. सो मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन विल बी बेस्ड ऑन टू बेसिस. दो बेसिस पे हम सारे मैटर को डिवाइड करेंगे. पहला बेसिस है, द फर्स्ट बेसिस इज फिजिकल स्टेट, सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैस, प्लाज्मा, बोज आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट. So friends, in total based on physical state we have five different classification. But in this chapter we will focus on solid, liquid and gas. इस chapter में हमें क्या ध्यान देना है? Solid, liquid और gas. प्लाज्मा और बोज आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट हम एज अ जनरल नॉलेज लेंगे. ठीक है. On the basis of chemical nature, the matter is divided into three types, that is elements, compounds and mixture. तो फ्रेंड्स, एलिमेंट, कंपाउंड और मिक्सचर के बेस पे जो भी हमें पढ़ना है वो अगले चैप्टर्स में आएगा. सो एलिमेंट, कंपाउंड एंड मिक्सचर विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स. क्लियर? सो फिजिकल स्टेट पे हमने क्लासिफिकेशन किया और केमिकल नेचर से हमने क्लासिफिकेशन किया. नाउ फिजिकल नेचर ऑफ मैटर. अर्लियर देयर वर टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल who were believing something related to matter. First group believed that the matter is continuous, right? It is just like a log of wood, single and continuous, which was wrong. And second group, they believed that matter is made up of small particles. जैसे जैसे हम कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को तोड़ते जाए या डिवाइड करते जाए तो मैटर का पार्टिकल्स जो है वो बाहर आएगा. That means matter is made up of small particles. If we break them, they will come. Later on, with some experiments and activities, it was proved that matter is made up of small particles. तो जो सेकेंड ग्रुप था जो बिलीव करता था मैटर छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स के बने हुए, तो वो सही था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ स्मॉल क्रिस्टल ऑफ सब्सटेंस मे बी मेड अप ऑफ मिलियन अदर स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. राइट? एक पानी की बूंद है तो उसमें पानी की बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स अंदर मौजूद है. एंड दीज पार्टिकल्स आर स्मॉल बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन. वो जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो हमें नहीं दिखते, इतने छोटे. सो दे आर सो स्मॉल टू बी विजिबल थ्रू नेकेड आई. तो ये दो प्रूफ हो गए अर्लियर बिलीफ से मॉडर्न बिलीफ तक, दैट मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. पार्टिकल्स आर स्मॉल बियॉन्ड आवर इमेजिनेशन. Now let us see various characteristics of matter based on what we know or what we found after research. Particles of matter have space between them, which is called intermolecular space. That is why we can mix one substance to another. अगर हम पानी के अंदर चीनी को मिला देते हैं और या नमक को मिला देते हैं, तो नमक के जो पार्टिकल्स है वो पानी में आसानी से मिल जाते हैं. इस बात से क्या साबित होता है? इस बात से साबित होता है कि पानी के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है उसके अंदर जगह है, उस जगह को सॉल्ट या शुगर के मॉलिक्यूल्स ने ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया. सो मैटर कैन बी मिक्स्ड बिकॉज दे हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम. ठीक है. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर कंटिन्यूअसली मूविंग. So with many experiment it is proved that all particles contain some kinetic energy. They move. बाद में हम जब इलेक्ट्रॉन और स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तब हमें पता चलेगा कि वो सारे पार्टिकल्स जो है वो मूव कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Moving on to the third point, that a force of attraction exists between the particles of matter, which is called intermolecular force of attraction. It holds the particle together and its strength is different from matter to matter. Three things you have to take care about: intermolecular space, space between particles; continuous motion, that matter has energy; and intermolecular force of attraction. So these are the characteristics of matter. यही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो सॉलिड को सॉलिड बनाते हैं, लिक्विड को लिक्विड और गैस को गैस रखते हैं. ठीक है. So states of matter, everything around us exist in different forms or states. These states of matter arise due to variation in the characteristics. कौन से characteristics अभी हमने डिस्कस किए? Intermolecular space, the kinetic energy or the internal energy, और intermolecular force of attraction. ये तीन characteristics अलग अलग states बनाते हैं. So we will discuss in this chapter about solid, liquid and gas. Three main study will be about solid, liquid and gas. So let us start with the characteristics. In exam, solid, liquid and gas characteristics are most IMP. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे जिसमें सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस तीनों को कंपेयर करना हो, वो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो. तो एक एक करके देखते हैं व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सॉलिड. सो सॉलिड्स हैव डेफिनेट शेप, सॉलिड्स हैव डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम एट डेफिनेट टेम्परेचर. सॉलिड्स आर ऑलमोस्ट इनकम्प्रेसिबल. उनका शेप जो है वो चेंज नहीं हो सकता. आप कितना भी प्रेशर लगाओ उनका शेप चेंज नहीं होगा, वो टूट जाएंगे बट शेप विल नॉट चेंज. Solids do not flow, so they are not under the category of fluids. They have definite boundaries, so they are called rigid. And if we apply external force, enough external force, they tend to break. Solids have higher density as compared to liquids and gas because the particles are closely packed, so density increases. And intermolecular attraction force is very high, almost maximum out of solid, liquid and gas. Clear? So these are the characteristics of solids. Now the next is liquids. Liquids do not have definite shape, and that is why they are not rigid. They tend to flow. They are called fluids. They take up the shape of containers in which they are filled. They have definite volume at definite temperature. They are almost incompressible. They are not rigid, right? क्यों rigid नहीं है? तो उनके जो intermolecular space है particles के बीच में वो ज़्यादा है. Intermolecular space is more as compared to solid. Now density is comparatively less than the solid, क्योंकि particles जो है solid के हिसाब से ज़्यादा दूर दूर है, तो density वो कम हो जाता है. Because the particles are far, intermolecular space is more, the density decreases. And liquid has a very nice property that it can also mix other liquids as well. And also gases can be mixed inside the liquids. You see soda water. What is soda water? It is a mixture of gas and liquid. So these are the few characteristics of liquid. Moving on to characteristics of gases. Now gases do not have definite shape. They do not have definite volume either. They are highly compressible. They can be filled in container. You see हम CNG, LPG use करते हैं. What is CNG? Compressed natural gas. The name itself says that the natural gas is compressed and filled in the containers. Gases have tendency to flow, thus they are called fluids. Intermolecular space between the gas particle is maximum. Particles एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर हैं as compared to solids and liquids. So intermolecular force is minimum, right? They apply very less attractive force between the particles. gases diffuse very easily among other substances, thus they tend to mix very fast, right? They spread very easily. घर के किसी कोने में हम परफ्यूम छींटते हैं तो पूरे रूम में या पूरे घर में उसकी सुगंध आ जाती है. That means gases diffuse and spread very fast. And density is minimum because highest intermolecular space, so particles are very far, so density is density is minimum. Okay. Now you can see the arrangement over here. You can see in solids they are jam packed, all the particles are very uniform, they are very near to each other, so intermolecular space is minimum and force is maximum, so they hold each other making the solid rigid. In liquids you see there is gap, the arrangement is not perfect, that is why liquids flow. Over here if you see intermolecular space is highest, so they do not attract each other, that is why they can spread, they don't have intermolecular force of attraction much. Clear? So this is the arrangement of particle, it is just an estimate of arrangement of particles in solid, liquid and gas. Clear? Now when in exam you have been asked that compare the characteristics of solids, liquids and gases based on these few properties, तो you will make a table. आप क्या करेंगे, आप एक टेबल बनाएंगे जिसमें एक कॉलम प्रॉपर्टीज का होगा और उस प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस में क्या लिखना है, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस.